So what is $10 cheaper in the month of August and comes with a free bonus product? The Allure Beauty Box. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. Today we're going to be unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for August 2024. And as you saw, this month is a special month because this box is only $15. So if you would like to try this box out, I do have a link down below and a discount code. If you use the two of them together, you'll be able to score this box for only 15 bucks. And not only will you receive all of these fabulous products in here, you're also going to receive a free full-size bonus product in your first box. But the only catch is you have to order before August 31st. So this deal is exclusive for the month of August. So if you want everything that you're about to see in this box, you have to order in the month of August. And don't say I didn't warn you because I just told you like 3 times, so there are no excuses if you miss this sale. August 31st is the deadline. So this is what it will look like when you first open up your box, and inside you will have a booklet. This will tell you about all of the products that you're going to have. God, her skin is beautiful. Man, I'm just looking at this, but the booklet will tell you about all of the products inside of your box. Additionally, they're going to give you tips usually on how to use those items, and they typically will have coupon codes. So if you would ever like to repurchase those products, you can actually save money off of those as well. So everyone that orders in the month of August will receive a free full-size bonus product. So this first product that I'm going to share with you guys is only for new members. So new members meaning you're purchasing in the month of August before the 31st. So you will receive a free full-size Milk Makeup Setting Spray. This product is one of their best-selling products, and it is amazing at giving you not only the hydration for your skin, but it's also going to lock in your makeup for longer wear, extended use throughout the day. So this one is going to be a very lightweight formula. It is going to be just a spritzer, so you'll just mist this on right over top of your makeup. It's a really nice mist. Actually, here, let me just show you guys. Maybe you'll see it here on camera. This one is fine, and what I like about it is it doesn't leave big water droplets on your makeup, because there's nothing worse than a setting spray that will leave like these, you know what I mean? Like you'll see the spots and then it's like, wait a second, I just blended all of my face out just to have a setting spray ruin that. But this one is really fine, and it's a nice mist, so you don't see those big water droplets on your face when you're doing that. So I'm gonna try and spritz this here and you guys can kind of see. It's just so lightweight. Additionally, it is long, you guys. Like, it's a good stream. Like, it will go a long ways. So don't keep this close to your face. You want to keep it a good arm's length away or more to give yourself that nice mist, and then you won't see those droplets either. But it is going to be a little bit tacky, but not too tacky. It's just the right amount. So that's why this is one of the best-selling products, because it works really well, but it doesn't have those droplets, and it's not going to be a super sticky formula. So if you order in the month of August, you can get this product absolutely free. This retails for $38 at Sephora. So already you're getting a steal of a deal this month as a new member just with this gift. But like I said, in addition, you can also save $10 off and only pay $15 for the entire box. Next up, we're also going to be receiving a full-size product from Eclat Skin London. This is going to be a makeup remover and also cleansing water all in one. This full-size product features rosemary extract inside of this one. And if you were going to purchase this, it retails for $38 at the store. Now, it does state in the book that this is a favorite of MUA's. They love this product because it removes dirt and makeup with just a few swipes of the formula, and you don't have to rinse this off. So it's great if you want to take it with you, if you're traveling anywhere, you can just use this to wipe off and you don't actually need any water with you. So I do think it's convenient. I can see the benefit of that. I have not tried this product out myself, but I am excited to use it, especially since it has won a bunch of awards, that it's very convenient, easy to use. So I am excited to give this one a shot, but for 38 bucks and I'm only getting it for 15, that's a steal. The next item that's included in everyone's box for August will be a full-size mascara. This is coming from KVD, and it is the full sleeve mascara. Now, what's nice about this one is it's a tubing formula, so it's not going to be a pigment where it could flake or smudge off. Tubing formulas will actually form like a tube around your lash, and so it will stay on there longer, but then it's so easy for removal because they almost are like macaroni noodles that they'll just slip right off. So whenever you are using like your cleansing water to remove mascara, it's a very gentle process to do that. So I prefer that kind of a formula over the other types that are out there. That's just me. I just like the tubing ones a little bit more so. But if you guys have not tried the tubing formula, this is a great way to try it out this month at $15, because this one alone is $25 at Sephora. So again, it's just a cheaper way to try it out and see what you think of it. Now, this is a black shade for our mascara, and this wand, isn't it funky? I always feel like this looks like a club that cavemen would use. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like they would be using this to fight off dinosaurs or something. Maybe nobody else thinks that, but when I look at it, I'm like, man, this just looks like a club. Now, Allure does guarantee 3 full-size products every single month with your subscription. So the next product that we have in here is from Dew of the Gods, and it is our 3rd full-size product. So this is their Hyaluronic Lip Butter, and it is Coconut Cloud scented. So it is a sealed box, that's why it's a little bit reflective, but we're gonna open that up here. This one says that it's a lip butter that will give you soft, supple lips. It features hyaluronic acid inside of this, and it will lock in moisture and make your lips oh so kissable, is what it says. So this is what the packaging will look like then on this out of the box. So really simple, basic packaging. As far as the formula goes, it is really soft. I do feel like it kind of resembles butter because it melts into your skin a little bit, and it is a very soft formula. You'll notice there is a little bit of a brightness there, so it's right across here is where it's applied at. And I do notice it's not glossy, but it does look just a touch brighter. Now, it is a really soft formula. You can definitely tell that it's there. Scent-wise, it smells exactly like coconut sunscreen. So this next product is the Pure Cleansing Oil. This oil will help to remove makeup and dirt and any excess oils that you might have on your skin. And it's going to be 25 ml or 0.84 ounces. Now this one I've never tried before, so I can't give you guys a review on whether or not it works. I do like with oils that they typically don't strip your skin and they're not nearly as harsh as some other cleansers are. I do think it's a little odd though that we have 2 cleansers in the same box. So from a reviewing aspect, I think that's a bit strange. This one says that it will remove away dirt and makeup without stripping your skin. See what I said? Oils are great for that. And it says you won't need a lot of this. It's only 1 or 2 drops. So $29 for the full-size version. However, this is just a sample that we have here. I don't think this is bad. I just think it should have been in a different month because we already have a cleanser in this box this month. So our second sample inside of our box today is from Juliet Has a Gun, and the perfume name is called Not a Perfume. So, you know, it's a little bit confusing. It's a perfume, but it's not a perfume, but it is a perfume. It's just called Not a Perfume. Now this is 5 ml, which actually for a fragrance is pretty generous. Because usually with fragrances, you'll get a sample card, which is 1.2 ml. Those are significantly smaller. So I actually feel like you have a lot in here. This could last you like 30 days even, depending on, you know, how much you spritz. This states that it's a fresh musk scent in here that is clean, and it's called a skin scent, is what they usually call this as. I mean, it does smell clean, and it does smell musky. I don't know that I would call it skin, but it's good, but it is very strong, you guys. Last item inside of our box then today is from Daily Concepts. These are daily reusable rounds. So these are going to be cotton pads. There are 2 of them in here, and you are supposed to reuse them, so don't throw them away. This is a cruelty-free product, and you can just throw these in the wash, dry them, and then reuse them again for your skincare. They're good size rounds, because sometimes I've had these rounds before and they come in and they're about half this size. I like when they're larger like this because, you know, I got a big face. I want to cover all of it. So this is good size, I feel like, and they're very soft, but you can use these with any of your cleansing oils or the other cleanser that we had in here to help remove all of your makeup. And then, like I said, just throw these in the washing machine and then you can reuse them afterwards. So that is everything for the Allure Beauty Box for August. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this beauty box. If you are interested in trying this box out as a new member, you can get all of this that you saw today for only $15, which is a steal, but you have to do it before August 31st. So make sure you use that link down below and my code. That way you'll save some money off. Don't forget to apply the code, otherwise it won't work. But if you use those two together, then you'll be able to save 10 bucks off this box. Now, I do feel like in terms of value, this is a very good deal this month. Like I said, the Milk Makeup bottle alone is already paying for the box. So everything else is free by that, but still you're getting to try out some other products. If you've never tried the tubing formula with the mascara, great way to try that out with the KVD item in here. I do think this cleanser is going to be really good as well with the rosemary extract. So I do think there are some good highlights in this box. I'm a little confused as to why we got 2 cleansers in the August box, but like I said, because it is a good deal overall, I don't feel like you're losing money on this box, and I do love my Allure subscription. I'm gonna overlook the fact that we got 2 cleansers this month. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!